So welcome back to Revitalift. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this face wash, which is from Hemani Turmeric Purifying Foaming Face Wash. This is a very good face wash. So before we use this, we have to shake the bottle, then take it out, press press this, and it's gonna come out. We have to rub this nicely. We can do cleansing with this as well because it has a really nice tool. So yes, let's wash this. So you can see the results. It takes off your makeup very nicely, very properly from your skin. It can exfoliate all the dirt. We can do cleansing as well with this. So I think this is a very good and reasonable face wash. And this is easily available in the market. You can buy this from anywhere, from any shop, from any store. This is easily available. I got this for 350 or 325 something. So this is not expensive at all. So yep, this was it for this video. If you liked my video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.